For the records, we'd like to know your name, sir.
Okay, my name is Atiku Musa, the Auditor General for Local Government Kaduna State and Chairman Conference of Auditor General for Local Governments in Nigeria.
You just had a forum with the governor. We'd like to know what your mission.
Well, the discussion is centered on our maiden annual conference, which is the 28th conference that is being held here by Rivers State Governor. So we are here to thank him for accepting to host the conference on behalf of the conference of the Auditor General for Local Government, and we appreciate him, and he has done a very wonderful this. We found that I told him that I found Rivers State to be peaceful and accommodating, and I appreciate their hospitality. Well, true. This conference was scheduled to hold in Port Harcourt 2 years ago, but we don't know the problems until this administration came into being. Then the governor accepted to host the conference on behalf of the Conference of Auditor General for Local Government. And the good thing is that he's also an accountant. So we appreciate that, accountants are good managers. So when I came into Rivers State, when you read papers, the news you are hearing, you will see different things. So when I came, I found out that Rivers State is so peaceful. In fact, with this strike, I've started communicating with my people. Maybe I will celebrate my Eid Kabir in Port Harcourt because the state is so peaceful. I really appreciate the government, the people, and the governor of Rivers State for their hospitality. Since we arrived here, we have been accommodated, we have been taken care of, so it's wonderful.